If you really want to enjoy more of the great outdoors with your vehicle, you're going to need more ground clearance. And you get it with a lift kit from ReadyLIFT and AutoNation AutoGear. Today's crossovers, trucks, and SUVs have extremely capable all-wheel drive systems. They can vector power exactly where you need it, but even the most capable systems won't work if you can't clear the terrain. That is where lift kits come in. And not only do they add more excitement to your vehicle, they also make every rig look amazing. But you can't just jack up a car and call it good. You need a kit that is precision engineered to work properly with your crossover, truck, or SUV. ReadyLIFT is the leader in lift kits, with packages available for most major brands. Want to add 3.5 inches to your F-150? ReadyLIFT has a kit. Add 2 to 6 inches to your Toyota Tundra TRD Pro? Yep, ReadyLIFT. Fact is, ReadyLIFT has lift and leveling kits for select Honda, Subaru, Ford, Jeep, Nissan, and Toyota vehicles. All you need to do is imagine the possibilities, and we can make it happen. And thanks to AutoGear from AutoNation, you don't have to wait until after you buy your new vehicle to get it lifted. Just come to your local AutoNation dealer and tell us what you want in your next vehicle. Whether it's a Subaru Crosstrek built for fun or a Ford F-250 built for work, we can put together your next vehicle with your dream lift when you pick it up. You don't have to deal with no-name installers. At AutoNation, you know it will be done right. And if you're looking to finance your next vehicle, you can roll the price of the lift directly into your loan for one easy payment every month. For more information on ReadyLIFT kits, visit your local AutoNation dealer. Get started at AutoNation.com today.